As we approach the anniversary of what would quickly become referred to as the energy crisis, South Africans now have multiple ways to power parts of their household. Unfortunately for many, solar power solutions and fuel power generators aren't viable options. This is especially true in apartment buildings and many complexes throughout the country. As such, battery backup solutions that can be recharged from the grid have become a popular product category in South Africa. There are now multiple brands that offer these solutions, and today we're looking at the brand that has recently updated its product lineup, Gizzu. The Gizzu Hero Pro UPS power station is a beast of a backup solution, boasting a maximum capacity of 2048 watt-hours, doubling the capacity of other solutions available right now. The battery technology contained within is the latest lithium iron phosphate battery. This battery technology allows for faster recharge times, but also more recharge cycles, 3,500 cycles in fact, before capacity is lost. The Gizzu Hero Pro features 12 outlets, including two 220-volt South African 3-point plugs and a bevy of USB and DC ports. To juice the batteries back up, there's a choice of using a plug, your car, or solar panels. The unit features a battery management system that proactively monitors and protects the battery, as well as over and under voltage protection and even protection from overloading and temperature spikes. You can even adjust how much power the unit draws from the wall while recharging thanks to a convenient dial. With a maximum output of 2,400 watts, you can power your fridge, TV, desktop PC, and even an air fryer for a few hours or minutes, depending on the power draw. Featuring a pure sine wave inverter, a 10 millisecond switchover time, and a 1 watt 4000K torch on the side, the Gizzu Hero Pro is the ultimate solution for load shedding no matter what stage Eskom decides to push power cuts to. You even get a 24-month warranty with your unit. At just 24,999 Rand, the Hero Pro is the load shedding companion that will make you forget that the power has ever been cut. Get your Gizzu Hero Pro on takealot.com today.